Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with KissLove here once more. This is the package that I got everything in. You know, this is great storage. I always tell you guys this. I got the wig, of course, elastic headband that's branded, 2 invisible HD wig caps. I got a robe and everything is branded, guys. And then I also got a bonnet. You know, presentation is key. I got these tapes, lace tapes, edge brush and comb, a pair of lashes, and a razor blade. Now, this is the wig. We're working with a 4C Kinky edge glueless lace wig today. It's a straight texture, Kinky straight texture, and the specific lace size is listed on the screen and down below. This is how inside of the wig looks. It has removable combs, 3 removable combs in total. These are great for security, as you know, but if you need to remove them to increase comfort, then by all means do so. I love that they make them removable. Also got this removable elastic band with the non-slip strips on them to increase security as well, and that's how the lace portion looks. Now, oh, and by the way, yeah, the side where the wig would lay around your ears is curved, so that's perfect. Now, and as I said, the edges are kinky, so everything is super natural looking with this wig today. You're gonna have like that fresh blowout, healthy hair look, so I'm all here for that, and I know a lot of you guys love it. When I slipped it on, I made sure to shake it side to side, as you can see, to show you how secure it is on my head. And then I proceeded to just help me, well, camouflage in the lace a little bit more so I could cancel out the castiness. I didn't cut off anything off the lace today. It really was a tiny portion that was casty, and it was really easy to conceal. So this is very straightforward, easy, and to the point for my beginners. You see how natural everything looks like because it's kinky in the front. By all means, if you want to go ahead and, like, you know, do your edges, or if you want to get it straight, you could go ahead and do so, but I wanted to keep it like in that state for you guys, just to kind of show you guys that you can rock it that way. I was parting it throughout the area with the lace to show you what the spacing is like. All right, and then I proceeded to apply my wax to the top of the wig, because you know I love when my wigs are laid, because then I'm gonna proceed to just straightening right throughout the wig to have a very nice silky, well, not silky straight, it's gonna be kinky straight, but have that super, you know, straight flowy look. And it was really easy to work with. But yeah, this is how it's looking after I use my hot comb to get the top nice and flat. And then now I proceeded to get my flat iron to take my time and straighten this out. Now for this first piece, kept it in real time to show you guys how, you know, I was taking my time to really make sure that that is really straight. You saw that seam, right? And it straightened amazingly. It didn't give me any problems. I just ensured to take my time so that it will be in its straightest state and, you know, very flowy and everything. And trust me, it looked bomb. You're gonna see in a few, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep on repeating this right throughout so you guys will see how much it looked like a nice, it just looked like a really fresh, beautiful blowout. And I love that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Now this is the finished look. Yeah, look at that movement. You can't say that this doesn't look good. By the way, did I tell you guys this wig is 26 inches long? Yeah, I'm gonna put the all the specifications on those, so please check it. But it's 26 inches long and it's given 30. Like, it's super full. You're not seeing through the hair. Look at the movement, man. Beautiful. KissLove hair, y'all did your big one on this. I love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Minimum shedding. All the information is down below. Go ahead, check it out. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.